Hi, I'm Swapna Ramkumar. I'm the class administrator of a center called Topslip in Tamil Nadu. I'm going to be talking to you about the role of a class admin. Basically, a class admin is the one who bridges the gap between the teachers and the students. The academic year starts with scheduling of the teachers depending on the preference they have given for their subjects as well as grades. Day on day, you work with the children and with the teachers, make sure they are appearing for their classes on time, and at the end of every week, you make sure that the teachers are updating their classes on the portal. You also hold in small meetings with the teachers once in a month to find out what their feedback is, to see if there are any gaps, any challenges that they are facing with the class, whether it is technical issues or anything related with the content. You also try and interact with the children as and whenever possible to find out what their perspective is as far as the teacher is concerned and as well as the subject is concerned. We also hold assessments at the end of every term when you would be sending across question papers to the center, and the center conducts the exam, and the administrator is the mediator for conducting of the exam. Once the exam are over and the answer sheets are sent back to you, you evaluate the papers with the help of the teachers and find out where exactly the children are standing as far as their academics is concerned. So that's as far as the academics is concerned. As far as the assessments are concerned. So interacting with the teachers, interacting with the students, solving their issues every now and then forms the vital part of the class administrator. So I wish you all the best, and I'm sure this is going to be a very exciting platform for you, and all the best to you. Thank you.